Hello, and thanks for hanging out with me for today's journaling spread. So today's spread was inspired by an Edith Holden image of a book that I recently purchased from Amazon. It was a used book, and I was so happy to find that. I don't think it makes sense for me to put the link below because it was in German. But if you go on Amazon and you search for Edith Holden books and you find the used ones, I would say totally go ahead and get them. They are very cheap and they're awesome to use in your spreads, and you can make copies of the pages, obviously, which is what I did. So I get to use these images multiple times, which is awesome. So I wanted to use this November spread, especially because I kind of wanted to do something for fall, and in October I just didn't know what to do for fall because I did want to somehow acknowledge it, but I don't really like the fall colors, like this yellow, orange, red. I mean, I love red, but the yellow and the orange thing is just not me. So I didn't really know how to make that work for me. So now for November, I decided to go with these brown tones, and I kind of tried to brighten it up a bit by adding a few color bits here and there. So here I was just ripping some various papers that I have and trying to place them down in a way that is appealing to my eyes. And you see on the right hand there, I have some blue, pink, purpley paper. That is from Amity Bloom's fabric feed sack printables that I purchased a little while ago. And those are awesome, and I wanted to use some of those to just put a little more color on the spread, but then I end up not really liking these colors, although I did want to challenge myself using color combinations that I don't usually do. But then when it came to actually gluing it down, I changed my mind again and went with something different. You'll see. And by the way, as you can see here, I'm burning some incense, and I also had some beautiful spiritual music going while I was doing this spread, and I was really in a very nice Zen mode putting this together, and I was really enjoying the time I had making this. And what I wanted to do was I wanted to write something about November, or the meaning of November. So I looked that up online and I went through several sites, and in the end I came across this one site which is called Tony Highland Psychic Services, which sounds a bit weird. And I was reading through some of the things, and it kind of got me interested. And so what I will be writing down is actually a paragraph of what I read there. And just to tell you, the image I just cut now of this beautiful bird is also from another Edith Holden page, just because I thought it needed some more interest on the left page. Although looking at it now, it looks kind of busy, especially when I add the writing. The whole spread is very, very busy. So I'm not 100% happy with how that turned out, but it's okay. I'll go with it. I'm not gonna cover it up, so it's all right. So anyway, yeah, so then I even add some fabric because I just thought it needed more for some reason that I currently cannot explain to you. So I just wanted to read you what I wrote down because maybe this is interesting for you as well. So it's about what November means to you. And it says, streaming forth a period of transition, psychic and personal growth, this month heralds new beginnings or new chapters in your life. Use this time to look at how your entire life has brought you to the point you are right now. It is no accident that everything you need to move forward and grow is at your disposal at this moment in time, regardless of your current situation, and all you have to do is to find it is to look deep inside yourself. In these times of transition, it is important for you to be present, awake, and of course, alert. So I really like that, and it kind of got me thinking about my current situation, my current life, and what I'm going through, etc., etc. So this passage really spoke to me and worked perfectly for this spread. So I will link the feedback prints from Amity Bloom below. Go check out those Edith Holden books on Amazon, and have an awesome rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.